I have selected that part here. Then I will make another selection on that side, adding a paint. Again I will make the selection on that side, change the pattern or the color here. So there I will make another design, changing the shapes here, add it. Still I will move it on that side, making the different designs to add there. Also move it that side, change a design for it. So that's it.